warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Monica Ellen Damayani. I'm student of elementary school teacher at Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. I want to present my journal. The title is The Overview of Elementary School Student Reasoning in Multiplication Problem Solving. And this is what my research has been looking at. One subject matter in elementary school that teaches students to think critically and logically is mathematics. Mathematics is a science with unique characteristics, one of which is axiomatic deductive reasoning. In mathematics, which deals with abstract and hierarchically arranged ideas, concepts, and symbols. To make it easier to solve mathematical problems in mathematics, students must understand the four mathematical arithmetic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If students do not understand one of the mathematical arithmetic operations, then students will have difficulty solving mathematical problems. Based on the observation experience in elementary school, there are still grade 4 students who still have difficulty solving mathematical problems. Some students have difficulty in multiplication and division arithmetic operation. The inhibiting factor for students with difficulty in mathematical arithmetic operation is that some teachers only teach students a lesson about facts but do not develop their reasoning ability. The ability to reason is one of the many bits of intelligence that is very important for students to master, especially when studying mathematics. Reasoning ability is the central ability used by children when facing mathematical problems. Elementary school students in solving problems only at the level of knowledge and application should be at the level of reasoning. Reasoning ability is the process of thinking about something logically to obtain a conclusion or assessment, or is the ability to think and understand things logically. The ability to reason is essential for learning mathematics and daily life. Many studies examine the reasoning ability, but few researchers still examine the reasoning ability of elementary school students in solving multiplication problems. So researchers are interested in studying and researching the reasoning abilities of elementary school students in solving multiplication problems for grade 4. Next method. 1. Type and design. The method used in this study is a case study with a qualitative approach. Using qualitative methods through case studies, they will not test hypotheses but want an accurate picture of elementary school student reasoning picture in multiplication problem solving. This study requires 2 interviews with students and working on reasoning ability, test questions, and interviews with teachers. 2. Place and time of study. This study was carried out on elementary school students in grade 4 and in 2 elementary schools in Boyolali Regency. This research was conducted at SD Negeri 4 Kiringan Boyolali and SD Negeri 3 Banyutono Boyolali. This study was conducted in July 2020. 3. Object and subject. The object of this study to know the reasoning ability of elementary school students in solving multiplication problems. The teacher's strategy in honing the reasoning abilities of students to solve multiplication problems, and factors that can affect the reasoning abilities of elementary school students in solving multiplication problems. The subject in this study were 6 elementary school students grade 4 and 2 teachers from SD Negeri 4 Kiringan Boyolali and SD Negeri 3 Banyutono Boyolali. 4. Data collection technique and instrument. Data collection technique were carried out to obtain data in the study. This study used interviews and documentation. Interviews with students were carried out 2 times, namely before and after working on the reasoning ability test question. Interviews with teachers were only carried out once. Documentation in this study is in the form of student learning outcomes in report card on the content of mathematics lesson. 5. Data analysis technique. Data analysis is an essential part of this study. In this section, the researcher must collect the data that has been obtained, organize the data, and organize the data systematically. Next, result. 1. Description of study. This study was conducted in 2 elementary schools in Boyolali District and Banyutono District. The 2 sub-districts are included in the Boyolali Regency, Central Java, Indonesia. 2. Description of subject. This study involved 6 students and 2 grade 4 elementary school teachers who acted as informants. 3. Description of data and funding. Based on the study, the authors obtained data regarding the description of the reasoning abilities of elementary school students in solving multiplication problems. The following are the results of the research analysis. A. Reasoning ability of students in solving multiplication problem. The reasoning ability of students is still low. This study also contained 5 questions of reasoning ability tests for students. Even though the reasoning abilities possessed by students are still low, there are differences between the reasoning ability of male and female students. B. Teacher strategy in learning mathematics. Based on the result of interviews with teachers, although basic multiplication 1 until 10 have been taught since grade 2, there are still high-grade students who still do not understand, such as grade 4 students who are taught by SNN. In addition to using strategies in teaching multiplication, teachers also hone students' reasoning skill in solving multiplication problems. The right way for teachers to hone students' reasoning skills is by giving students the freedom to be creative in thinking and inquiry. C. Supporting and inhibiting factors of student reasoning ability. When the factor that can hinder teachers in honing student reasoning skill are the low interest of students in mathematics. And in addition, there are external factors from students, such as a family environment where both parents have spirited. Next, discussion. Based on this result, it is known that there are differences in the reasoning abilities of female students that are superior to male students. There are 5 indicators of reasoning ability in test question. 6 students were already able in the second indicator for other indicators, but it was still lacking, and there was still something wrong with adding up to the multiplication result. Factors that support teachers to make it easy to hone student listening skill, namely the existence of interest, talents, and corrected realistic basis for thinking from students in addition to external factors from students. So as a family environment host parents pay attention to guiding students while studying at home. According to Handayani, reasoning is the process of thinking about something logically to obtain a conclusion or assessment, or is the ability to think and understand things logically. Rosnawati examined the mathematical reasoning ability of Indonesian junior high school students at the IMSS 2011 with the result that the mathematical ability of Indonesian students in international benchmark was still at a low level. Error experienced by students in solving problems on each indicator such as Komarudin study. There are 4 types of errors, namely error in understanding the problem, errors in planning, errors in implementing plans, and errors in checking the solution obtained. According to Shahrudin, problem solving is an activity to find ways to solve problem, find ways out of problem, and achieve goal to be achieved with appropriate tools. The study by Aji has something in common with this study, namely that students with low reasoning abilities have difficulty doing the exercise given by the teacher, so that they experience errors because they do not understand the meaning of the problem, are less careful in calculating, and are even less thorough in understanding the problem in the problem. According to Suendang, the reasoning ability of students is influenced by several circumstances and conditions. In general, the factors that affect the reasoning ability of students are internal factors and external factors. The conclusion that can be drawn is that student reasoning abilities in solving multiplication problems all began to be honed in grade 2 elementary school. This is by the primary education curriculum that multiplication has been taught since grade 2 primary school. So, in teaching multiplication to students, the teacher must also begin to hone students' reasoning skill in solving multiplication problems. Next, conclusion. Superior reasoning abilities can make it easier for students to solve a problem, both problem in learning mathematics or problem in everyday life. Student interest in learning mathematics is one of the factors that can support and hinder students in solving mathematical problems. The strategy used by the teacher in honing reasoning skill must be appropriate, so that it is easier for students to understand the problem and be able to solve the mathematical problem at hand. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.